What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. It could be altcoins, it could be meme coins. We're gonna check it out. As long as it's making some noise, more and more people are talking about it, we're gonna cover it on the channel. In this video we're gonna be checking out Sezar token, and you know, I've seen it making waves on DEX tools, trending. So we're gonna dive into it, guys. The chart looks pretty decent. It had a launch and it's been consolidating. So you like charts like that. It didn't just, you know, pump and dump. It launched, then it's been consolidating, so it could have more potential upside for this one, guys. But before we get any further into the video, always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of what I say is financial or investment advice. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now, when we take a look at Sezar token, it is the most memeable meme coin in existence. It's time for Sezar to take reign. The token is simply paying homage to a meme we all love and recognize. Sezar is a meme coin with no intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. There is no formal team. The coin is completely useless and for entertainment purposes only. It's pretty much like that Pepe, slogan, guys. No intrinsic value. This is just for fun. This is just a project, you know, you take a chance on. There's no guarantee of financial return, but you know, there could be. You just never know, right? It could either work out very well or not. That's how crypto is, because nothing is guaranteed. So there's no taxes, no fees, no team tokens. It's that simple. So no tax token for this, okay? No tax token. 90% of the tokens that were sent to the liquidity pool LP tokens were burnt, and the contract is renounced. So 90% of the LPs burnt. The remaining 10% of the supplies held as two multi-sig wallets, 5% each, to be used for centralized exchange listings and marketing. Wallets is easily trackable, and they have the tokenomics right here. I love that it's zero tax. I love that 90% of the LPs burnt. So the only way this project fails is if the community gives up on the project, is if you guys that hold Sezar stop sharing the project, stop, you know, letting people know about the project, because it's completely decentralized. And hopefully there's a team or people that are community, you know, community leaders that, you know, look into the centralized exchange listings and stuff like that. Because remember, same thing with Pepe, guys. We see what Pepe did, and yeah, there's no team. It was just, you know, top community members that did all the exchange listings, reaching out to people like CZ, Binance, talking to him, and then eventually got to a point where even Binance bought a ton of Pepe and listed it on their exchange, right? So it was all just community making noise. And obviously, you know, a lot of people that had, not a lot, but some people that also had, have a lot of I think connections as well in the community. But it was all community members at the end of the day that pushed the project so far. And I'm looking right now, going through while I ramble, at the Sezar. I think these probably will be Sezar NFTs, and pretty nice stuff, man. You know, when you ape into a project, well, this is the definition of being the ape, right? You could join the community, and they have a roadmap right here. Sezar trending, 10,000 plus holders, launch pool, roadmap extension, top 10 CEX listing. So yeah, pretty much straightforward with this project. Community driven project, guys. It's up to you guys as the community to push this project forward and send it to that next level while the team does their thing. 1,200 holders, and this is what I was speaking about with the chart. It had its launch and it hasn't fallen back down after the launch. It's just been going sideways from here, consolidating, right? And as we can see, we have engagement on Twitter, pretty new. Oh my gosh, only 2 tweets, guys. So it's super new, right? Let me check out DEX Tools BNB. It was trending right here. Okay, here it is. Now take a look at the DEX Tools chart. It's at 1 million market cap, 1.1 million. Now what I'm seeing, it could potentially come down lower, right? It could potentially come lower from here because it is in a retrace in the on the 1 hour chart, but it has been, you know, consolidating in this range for a bit. Okay, so you know, again, not investment advice, but if you find a project interested, you're looking for entry, wait until you see confirmation of either a breakdown, complete breakdown, or a break to the upside, right? Wait for that confirmation. But yeah, pretty cool project. I wouldn't, you know, I wouldn't rule it out for, you know, success, obviously, because we see how it happens in the space all the time. You just never know which projects absolutely explode and take off, and Sezar could be one of those projects. If you hold Sezar, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section. What do you like about the project? To support the project, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, spread this video to other Sezar holders, and get this video viral, so more and more people could learn about the project that you're holding. Also, let me know what other projects you guys would like me to check out. Everything Sezar and myself will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.